guys, welcome back to my channel Shrudhan Study Circle. In my previous video, we have discussed about third, fourth, fifth and sixth types of pronouns. In this video, we will discuss further about remaining three types of pronouns. So let us begin with our today's topics, type of pronouns. Now, what is demonstrative pronoun? It is the seventh type of pronoun. It indicates something specific within a sentence. They represent anything that is far or near in distance. So, they represent anything far or near in the distance. The examples are this, that, these, those, etc. Now, I am going to tell sentence example, which is this is my book. Here the book is near me. So I am telling that this book is mine. So this I am using here this as a demonstrative pronoun. It is near. I am going to make a table in distance. Singular, here plural, near, far. So in near, if it is singular, we will use this. Similarly, if it is plural, we will use these. Similarly, if it is far in singular, we will use that, and in plural, those. So this is the table. Now we will move to our next type of pronoun, that is distributive pronoun. Now, what is distributive pronoun? Distributive pronoun refers to person or thing at a time. So, it refers to person or things at a time. I will give some examples. Examples for distributive pronoun are either, neither, each, none, etc. Now, I will give one sentence example for distributive pronoun, that is, again one point for distributive pronoun is that they are always singular. They are always singular. Now I am going to give one sentence example, that is, each book is good. Now I am talking about many books at a time. So I am using singular each, and for that I am using is, because I am talking about singular in noun, but there are many. So I am using here each book is good. All books are good, I am telling, when there are more, and we are not using distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun are always singular. So I am using each as a distributive pronoun. For book, all books are good. Instead of that, I am using each book is good. Similarly, either of you can go. Anyone can go in you. So I am using either. Okay, this is distributive pronoun. So let us move to last type of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Now what is possessive pronoun? It shows the ownership on the thing. It shows the ownership on the thing. I will give examples. Examples for possessive pronoun are my, mine, hers, her, his, theirs, etc. I will give one sentence example, that is, this is her book. Now I am using here her as the possessive pronoun. She owns the book. So I am using her as possessive pronoun. By completing possessive pronoun, we have completed the series of pronouns. In my next video, I am going to tell about science of 7th standard, first chapter, nutrition in plants. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. If there are any suggestions or questions, please write it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.